Kartrek, terima kasih Carmen, Soling, aku Solusi atau Antares sudah setahun lahir menggunakan full facility-nya IoT dari Kartrek. Benar yang tadi disampaikan di depan, thank you sama Kartrek, kita berhasil tingkat digitalisasi kita berhasil cost control yang jauh lebih baik, pengambilan keputusan yang lebih cepat, mekanisme tata kelola dari sisi unit, dari sisi biaya terutama karena kita di logistik kita sangat concern terhadap biaya. Dan terima kasih teman-teman Kartrek yang udah kasih kita pembelajaran cukup banyak karena kita hampir pakai semua, ada dari kamera, MDVR, ada AI-nya, ada full stick-nya, lokal kontrolnya. Kita hoping untuk ke depan bisa masih low way to go, bisa develop bareng. Dan sekali lagi terima kasih teman-teman Kartrek yang support luar biasa buat Antares atau PTK Global sendiri.
Kartrek menyelenggarakan Kartrek Fleet Excellence Award Indonesia sebagai inisiatif perusahaan dalam menghadirkan platform penghargaan bagi pengolahan operasional armada berbasis data di Indonesia. Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer Kartrek, Carmen Calisto mengatakan, penghargaan ini menjadi langkah penting dalam memberikan apresiasi terhadap kepemimpinan operasional di berbagai industri yang mengandalkan armada. Menurutnya, di berbagai industri saat ini, organisasi yang berhasil adalah mereka yang mampu mengubah data operasional menjadi keputusan yang lebih tepat.
I am delighted to be joined by Ms. Carmen, an expert who has been at the forefront of IoT and telematics. She plays a pivotal role in how we utilize real-time data to drive operational efficiency. Ms. Carmen, it's pleasure to have you to share your expertise on the future connected fleets. Okay, Ms. Carmen, as the logistic industry in Indonesia is evolving, particularly with the rising demand for a smart cold chain solution, how is Kartrek's IoT roadmap designed to ensure end-to-end visibility and cargo integrity in such a demanding environment?
Yeah, so we understand, and especially in Indonesia, especially with the kind of cold chain transportation that you're doing, the demands are very high from your customers. And of course, quality is integral to your actual solution offering. In terms of our roadmap, at the moment, we're obviously already doing a lot of sophisticated stuff around the cargo monitoring, the temperature monitoring, advanced reporting. And in the future, we're looking to bring in things around humidity sensors, AI-driven temperature alerting, as well as further AI reporting that will really focus on the cold chain industry to also help with the automation for communication with your customers.
Ms. Carmen, on to the next question regarding the unique challenge of the Indonesian market. What specific the newest feature is Kartrek introducing to address the needs of a commercial vehicle such as operator, especially in terms of optimizing operational costs and enhancing fleet safety?
Yeah, so Indonesia is very unique for a few reasons. Obviously, the clear one is that the size of the country and the amount of different islands makes it a unique operating environment. Also, we can see that the customers in Indonesia are exceptionally demanding and they want strong service. And then finally, given the scale of the country, there's a lot of blind patches where people just do not have connectivity. So there's a few things that we've done. I think a big thing that we're seeing a lot of success in Indonesia is around our AI smart cameras, which are really helping companies get full visibility of what's actually happening on the road so that they can boost their safety. In terms of the up-and-coming features that we'll be releasing in terms of operational costs and for the fleet safety, it's obviously enhancing on the AI safety cameras that we already have, bringing in new alerts, new AI, as well as enhancing the current offering. And then also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be launching devices that actually don't need the cellular network to communicate, which means that when vehicles are going through blind spots with no connection, they'll also be able to report back data using our proprietary RF network that we're currently building out in Indonesia. And I think that those are really, really key things that we'll start to see having huge success for the market in Indonesia.
Miss Carmen, as you know, Antares operates with highly complex of IoT requirement to maintain our smart cold chain standard. Looking ahead, what kind advancement like innovation, perhaps in predictive data or a deeper hardware integration, is CardTrack developing to support the sophisticated needs of partners like us?
Yeah. So if we look at Antares, you really do use a very, very full suite from the AI cameras to very advanced sensors all the way through to our API. I think Antares is a customer that really does not stop and is fully invested in innovating using technology to increase their customer offering for their clients. Going forward, we're currently working on a CardTrack AI agent. So this will be somebody who Antares can also use to further enhance insights for customers, to further improve on the solution offering, where you'll be able to ask questions and it will help highlight areas of improvement for the fleet, and also to see where the successes and where the challenges are. Also, obviously, a part of that AI will be the kind of alerting that will be going back to the Antares control room to further improve on that quality and just high precision targeting that Antares is currently doing. And then, like I mentioned, our hardware that we're investing in at the moment is really improving the camera offering and making it even more sophisticated, more advanced, stronger, better AI. And also our RF network device will be able to do smarter things around how the cargo is actually being transported and interacting with the host of the vehicle. So how far is that distance, and making sure that everything is tracked from full end-to-end solution.
Before we wrap up, is there anything else you'd like to share or final piece for advice for our audience?
Yeah, I think the main advice that I would probably give is to embrace technology and use technology as a way to improve your business, and obviously look for partners like Antares who have fully enhanced their own operations using technology, as their quality of service is incomparable to everyone else in the market. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Miss Karma. It's been a pleasure talking to you and learning more about innovation and IoT. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Saat ini saya bersama Ibu Salma selaku account manager dari CardTrack. Bu, sejauh ini bagaimana peran CardTrack dalam support bisnisnya Antares?
Oke, baik. Sebelumnya saya mau terima kasih dulu nih untuk Antares telah mempercayakan CardTrack sebagai provider atau vendor untuk penyedia telematics. Jadi kami saat ini mensupport dalam bentuk kita memberikan telematics system supaya Antares bisa melakukan full monitoring terhadap kendaraan operasional yang dimiliki, yang dimana saat ini Antares juga telah menggunakan kami dengan paket yang sangat komplit, mulai dari pemantauan door sensor, pemantauan fuel, kemudian juga pemantauan dari segi kameranya dan temperaturnya juga sudah termasuk ya. Gitu sih, Mas.
Baik, berarti udah full package ya,
Yes,
Bu ya?
benar.
Ibu, apa saja yang sudah menjadi pengembangan bersama nih antara Antares dengan CardTrack, atau fitur apa aja sih yang sudah develop antara kita dengan Antares dengan CardTrack, itu apa aja sih?
Oke. Kalau pengembangan sendiri kita selalu ada inovasi baru ya, Mas ya. Sebelumnya mungkin kalau misalkan Mas tahu Driver Scorecard itu kayaknya cuma terbatas aja fiturnya. Saat ini kita sudah mengembangkan, lebih tepatnya Driver Scorecard yang lebih komprehensif yang bisa disesuaikan dengan kebutuhan customer. Kemudian juga untuk Antares kami sedang mengembangkan sensor terbaru, yaitu sensor kelembapan untuk membantu Antares memonitoring kelembapan yang ada di kargonya, seperti itu.
Oke, thank you Ibu Salma.
Thank you, Mas.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Oke, kali ini saya bersama Pak Rex selaku Direktur dari Agung Solusi Dingin. Pak, kenapa Antares itu menggunakan IoT cukup intens dalam operasional sehari-hari?
Oke, kita kan value-nya kasih customer best solution buat costing, best solution juga buat control monitoring. Itu nggak mungkin bisa tercapai kalau kita nggak pakai IoT sih. Jadi kita salah satu penyedia layanan cold chain yang cukup intens, ngasih data, ngasih reporting dalam bentuk capture data dari IoT.
Baik. Kalau untuk fitur IoT-nya, Pak, yang menjadi andalan Antares sehingga Antares bisa menjadi salah satu penyedia last mile cold chain terdepan di Indonesia?
Pastinya report setelah pengiriman ya, sama POP POD yang secara real time, dan itu semua through IoT sama through AI sih yang kita punya, dan kita punya sistem control tower yang juga cukup bagus untuk bisa provide secara real time, secara seamless, sama very easy to access, very fast response sih. Itu sih salah satu bedanya kita sama teman-teman yang lain.
Untuk kedepannya Pak, pengembangan atau integrasi yang akan dikembangkan antara Antares dengan Kartrek itu apa, Pak?
Udah pasti AI, udah pasti fully integrated dengan ERP dan CRM kita. Dan itu yang mungkin akan jadi andalan kita ke depan sih. Karena akan pasti cost reduction banget sih.
Baik, terima kasih Pak Rex.